What's up, YouTube? Excuse my mouth being so juicy. I just got done drinking water. Uh, but I had some stuff I wanted to show y'all. So let me show y'all right quick. Oh, tree limbs, what I got going on. So look at that, y'all. The persimmon tree did not drop all of its fruit. So it looks like I'm gonna get 2 persimmons. That's all I've seen so far, but when this stuff is all green like this, you look over it sometimes. Look, look. Hey, Felix. Felix. You don't care nothing about what I'm talking about. And then over here, my peach trees got some peaches ready. So, oh yeah, that's nice and ready. So I'm gonna twist you right on off. Let's see how we doing. I warned you already. I've had peaches off this tree already. Had to make sure I was recording. Can you see the juice? The juice. They are delicious. Felix is bothering me. Look at how the juice is just dripping. Seed split on me. But yeah, these peaches are fabulous. Um, okay, I'm done with that. Now I got peach juice running all down me. But you can see they starting to get ready. That one's still kind of hard, but that one ain't though. This one here is ready. They're not that big, which my peaches are never really that big. Hopefully I get this tree in the ground at some point and they'll be bigger, but boy, they delicious. I'm a seed splitting on me. But I didn't come here for the seeds, so. Shadow back there turning over still. As I choke to death, pears still looking, you know, they look pretty good. Then ain't nothing ready yet. I think this will be the first one that'll probably be ready. That one might be second. The squirrels haven't gotten any, but I think Felix is honestly keeping the squirrels away. But this is what's exciting, y'all. My 4 little blueberries. Well, you see, one of them done got real blue real quick. Ooh, and he came right off. So this is the first blueberry I've ever grown, ever tasted. That's my own. And the blackberries and the ones are just hooking on to me. So let's see how we did. Oh, oh, y'all, I wish I had more. Okay, that bush is getting priority treatment next year. That was amazing. Perfect amount of sweetness, perfect amount of tartness. That bush getting priority treatment next year. Cause I need more than one of them at a time. That ain't gonna work. So let me show y'all my orange, my kumquat. I guess it's gonna go on and bloom for me. It's just gonna bloom late. Well, which, you know what, now that I think about it, this thing always blooms late because the fruit gets ripe kind of late, like in the fall uh, time. A lot of my oranges came off this tree, but still got that one. I think I saw two on here. I think I saw two. Yeah, there's the other one. So those two. A lot of the other fruit dropped, but it's all good. I'm thankful for whatever I get. My fig trees is, figs galore. We're just waiting on them. I gotta get them before the birds do. I try not to water my figs too much right now because it'll make your figs, your actual fruit taste watery. Water them too much. Even the little fig got figs on it. But I think all of these are like brown turkeys or something. They're not nothing. No, this is Celeste. I didn't know that was Celeste. I'm sitting up here thinking I ain't got a Celeste. I was gonna buy one. I know these over here are brown turkeys, so I know that because I remember buying them. But that's what I wanted to show you guys. Wow. Oh, and the native blackberries are done, but they're red. They're not done yet. So we just waiting on these to see what they're gonna taste like. But all right, y'all. Well, that was just a quick video, right quick. Fruit tasting. So I'll see you guys later. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.